Hey guys, let me just hey, we're out cross country skiing today. Got a nice 8K skiing ahead of us. Not overly keen, to be honest. Would rather be in bed. Let's meet the man behind the camera. Hey.
Yo, let's hit the gwitty.
Oh my. What?
We out here, we skiing. Got
Mikey
Michael pulling up. Hey guys.
It's gonna be so much fun, you know.
Yeah, we got food, we got like peanut butter.
Yeah, we haven't fallen yet, so.
Somebody has, but.
Someone has, but let's chill.
Ice climbing, George?
Am I hyped for ice climbing?
Ice climbing is gonna be fun.
Not overly, to be honest.
Really?
Oh man.
Did you enjoy the rock climbing?
Yeah, it was pretty chill. I liked the rappelling stuff.
Rappelling was fun.
What a gorgeous trail, you know, great setting, you know. Where else would you rather be on Friday morning, eh?
Nowhere.
Just up and about, you know, get after it. Get after the day, kill the day, you know what it is.
Get after it.
Oh yeah, bud. Filming! Why don't we walk as a pack?
We are walking as a pack. Yo.
I'm never up for a play.
What's the video?
Yeah.
We've canoed here.
Yes, canoeing.
Canoodle.
George.
Yo.
Post free photo.
Log one. Wait.
Area, and it would just go.
There he is. Nicely done. Oh yeah. Do a jump. You. Oh. Jeez. That was
Chill.
good.
Whoa!
Nothing
Good?
happens.
Oh boy.
Just crawl up. There you go. Alright, I'm on your right. Okay, you're good, you're safe. Yes, I'm on your right. I think we got a hill up here.
I'll let you get that crispy footage.
Man, I want that crispy footage of you going down. Oh yeah, this is a cool hill. Oy, there. Not as big as we once thought it was. Go for it! Nicely done.